Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing the Pura Vida Moringa Capsules, which are supposed to deliver same health benefits as moringa powder but in an easier to take form. Let's talk about our experience. The big pro is convenience. Unlike the powder, these capsules are tasteless and easy to add into daily routine. We experience the same subtle benefits: improved digestion, steady energy, and reduced bloating. The capsules are vegan and contain no unnecessary additives, which is another plus. But the cons: the dosage per capsule is lower than what you can get with powder, so you need to take multiple pills to get the same potency. It's also slower to notice results compared to the powder. And again, moringa is not a miracle cure. It's more of a gentle, long-term support. Some people with sensitive stomachs may still notice mild digestive issues. Overall, if you hate the taste of moringa powder, these capsules are a convenient alternative. But don't expect overnight results. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam-free.